In this video, we will show you the steps to enable external access to a VM. Login into your Stackbill portal. Click on the Network option under Cloud menu. Click on your available network and provide the egress rule for first time along with TCP ports. Rule has been added successfully. Now select the Public IP tab and click on the available public IP. Then select the Firewall tab and add your VM IP range to provide access from external network. Rule has been added successfully. Then select the Port Forwarding tab and provide the private and public ports for your VM. Then click on Add VM button. Select your VM and click OK. VM has been added successfully. Now you can able to access your VM from the external network using the public IP. You can find the VM password from the instance page. Login into the VM successfully. Thanks for watching this video. Please visit the Stackbill help page for more information.